Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, November 11, 2020 on our channel. Daikin's third generation of air-cooled screw chillers. CAREL, a positive third quarter. CryoHub virtual workshop at CYTEF. Koxka Catalunya carries out the transcritical CO2 refrigeration installation at the new Casa Ametller supermarket in Castelldefels. NAVAC Incorporated introduces impact-resistant manifold gauge N2A4. So, first news today. Daikin's third generation of air-cooled screw chillers. Daikin's third generation of air-cooled screw chillers. The new single-screw compressor is one of the main and most interesting features in Daikin third generation of air-cooled screw chillers. The new design includes a new screw profile, which ensures the best performance with both our 1234Z and our 134A refrigerants. The result of this new development is a substantial extension of chillers' cooling capacity. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. CAREL, a positive third quarter. The Board of Directors of the CAREL Industries Group has approved the consolidated results as at September 30, 2020 with consolidated revenues of €248 million, in continuity with respect to the same period of 2019, plus 0.1%, plus 1.2% at constant exchange rates, and growing compared to the first 6 months of 2020. Financial highlights. Consolidated revenues of €248.0 million, plus 0.1% compared to the first 9 months of 2019, plus 1. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. CryoHub virtual workshop at CYTEF. CryoHub will be hosting a workshop at CYTEF, the 10th Ibero-American Congress of Heating and Cooling Technologies hosted by UPNA Campus Ibaris, Spain. The virtual conference is being reorganized for November this year and will be focusing on cooling systems and heat pumps, air conditioning, food processing and preservation, energy efficiency and renewable energies. Teaching. To take part in this workshop, you must register for the conference http://www. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Koxka Catalunya carries out the transcritical CO2 refrigeration installation at the new Casa Ametller supermarket in Castelldefels. The new Casa Ametller supermarket has a total area of over 1,000 square meters, is located next to the Ametller shopping center and has 50 parking spaces. The total investment has been €1 million and Koxka Catalunya has carried out the transcritical CO2 refrigeration installation with the following components, manufactured by Koxka Peralta. Koxka Gas Cooler KGR 632-4R16 CEC. 6 Koxka Evaporators. 3 units Creek-18 CO2. 1 unit CC19 CO2. 1 unit CC41 CO2. 1 unit XC17 CO2. The Ametller Group currently has more than 1,500 employees and 106 shops. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. NAVAC Incorporated introduces impact-resistant manifold gauge N2A4. NAVAC has introduced a precision impact-resistant manifold pressure gauge with Class 1.0 accuracy. The new N2A4 manifold gauge effectively measures the pressure of various gases and liquids used in HVAC systems, helping technicians to troubleshoot and reduce leaks and system failure. Featuring a premium construction with a durable aluminum body and ball valves, the N2A4 manifold gauge is used to diagnose and determine the status of 4 refrigerants R22, R410A, R134A and R404A. By contrast, similar models frequently handle 3 or less refrigerants. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.